In this video, I am going to show you how to install the new Ring no drill mount, the new Ring battery video doorbell, quick and easy. Let's get into it. In the pack, you get the mount itself, a double-sided adhesive strip already on the back, 2 small mounting screws, and a QR code with the setup instructions. Before we start, this mount is made specifically for the Ring battery video doorbell, newest generation 2026. It won't fit older Ring doorbells, and older no drill mounts won't fit this one either. Make sure you've got the right version. It's designed for smooth, flat surfaces, painted render, UPVC or timber. It won't work on brick or other rough surfaces. If that's what you've got, you'll need to use a screw bracket instead. Start by cleaning and drying the surface where you're mounting it. Peel the backing off the adhesive, press the mount firmly against the wall and hold it there for 5 minutes. Then leave it for a full hour before attaching the doorbell. Don't rush this bit. Once the hour's up, fix the doorbell's mounting bracket to the plate using the 2 included screws. Hook your Ring battery video doorbell on and that's it, you're done. Links to both products are in the description below. Some are affiliate links, so if you do buy through them, it helps the channel at no extra cost to you. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.